Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today's tutorial is going to be on how to draft a pattern for a bralette. So we'll be needing our vertical across bust measurement, our under bust measurement, and as well as our nipple to nipple measurement. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So from the top of your pattern paper, you mark 1 inch downwards and then mark a straight horizontal line, and then from that straight horizontal line you mark your vertical across bust measurement to wherever it ends. Then you mark another straight horizontal line. So from the center front of your pattern paper, you mark half of your nipple to nipple measurement, make a point right there, and then mark out a straight vertical line there as well. Alright, just like that, straight. Okay, so from your center front down below you measure 1.5 inches upwards, mark it right there and make it visible. And then from your nipple line you're going to measure 1 inches inwards, mark it right there and make it visible. Hope mine is visible. Okay, that is that. So now I'm going to get my curve and try to connect it to the 1.5 mark we made right there, not in a straight but curve, just like this. If you can do freehand, that's optional. So now we're going to divide that 1 inch into 2 by finding the midpoint of it. So that's what I've done right there. Okay, so from the nipple line there, you're going to go down by 3 inches. Yes, you're going to go down by 3 inches and mark it right there. Okay, so you come down to the nipple line down below and measure half an inch inwards, just like that. So from the 3 inches we came down, you're going to measure 0.75 outwards. Alright, that's what I've done right there. Okay, so we're going to connect from that middle point we made there at the top to connect to the 0.7 mark we made right there to touch the half an inch we made below down there. Yes, so it should be in a curvy manner but not like in a straight line. So that's for panel A. So now we're moving on to panel B, and before that you're going to measure out your quarter of your underbust measurement, and then you square it up. That is center front to wherever it meets. So from that same nipple line again, we are going to come out again by 1 inch, and that 1 inch again we divide it into 2 by finding the midpoint, just like that. Alright, so you come down below again from that nipple line, you're going to go out by half an inch, and then from where we marked the 3 inches previously, we're going to go in again by 0.7. It's just the same procedure. So you're going to connect that middle point we made right there to touch the 0.7 and the half inch right there, just like that. Sorry, my camera and light is causing confusion. Okay, so from this our underbust line right here, we're going to go up by 2 inches and mark, and that is what I've done right there. And then we're going to connect it to that point right there to make the 2 inches point there in a straight slanted manner. So from there, from that 2 inches point, we are going to connect it to the 1/2 inch point we made in a slanted manner as well. So yeah, we are totally done with our pattern. We have the panel A and the panel B, and that is cut 4 each. But then if you attach a lining to it, you cut 2 each on your main fabric and 2 each on your lining. And now you trace everything on a fresh pattern paper and add your seam allowances, 1 inch or half, or whatever seam allowance you would want. And that is what I have right there. And yes, I hope this tutorial was useful, and if you have any suggestion, let me know right there, down there in the comment section. Alright, so that's that for our pattern. So I'm looking forward to make the sewing tutorial as well. So thanks for watching, and see you on my next tutorial. Bye.